In this video, I'm going to show you how to be admin on Roblox. Open your Roblox application. At the bottom menu, click on More and then scroll up and click on Messages. Make sure you are here on the Inbox tab and then click on Roblox. Click on Roblox again. Scroll down to where you have Badges. So these are Roblox badges. Click on See More in order to see the other badges. This is the administrator badge. Click on it. So they are telling us that this badge identifies an account that is belonging to a Roblox administrator, and only official administrators possess this badge. So if someone claims to be an admin but they don't have this badge, then you just need to report that account so that it can be taken down because it is an imposter. So in conclusion, only official Roblox administrators can have the administrator badge.